As we in our dentistry strive to keep the quality as high as possible, we always are looking for an industrial partner, such as LM, who is even having higher standards than maybe us in production. So seeing the production line was quite overwhelming in all the quality procedures, and it's good to have a partner who keeps the standard of quality that high.
I think it's good for us to understand how much is involved, because sometimes you don't put enough value into tools as simple as an instrument, while the reality is it has a lot of science behind and a lot of research and a lot of development, which is making it actually a smart object. It is really something that has a lot behind in order to be designed, and I think it puts more value on the instrument, so more people should know about this.
It's the control, okay? The quality control points in each station by human, okay? That is awesome. It's artisan work, okay? People there, taking care of each detail. That is what has made the difference, okay? And how they sharpen the instrument. They combine both work pretty well, the technology and the human.
I think when you see product development at the beginning, as a young person, you always think that the idea is the key component to having something great. But as you grow professionally, you understand that creating a product is about much more. And I think that having the standardized manufacturing process, quality control, and making a product line that will serve you and stand the test of time is a super difficult thing, and the factory here and LM has been a really nice experience seeing how these instruments come to life.